Certain tips para makaiwas sa scam online. Alam mo, talamak na naman ang scam ngayon, especially in the digital world. Personally, alam nyo naman na 2 beses akong na-hack. Honestly, until today, hindi ko pa nababawi yung Facebook page na yon. Kaya naman, I have compiled a very few tips para matulungan ka na maiwasan ang scam. Number 1, wag na wag kang magbibigay ng OTP. Number 2, wag na wag kang magkiklik ng link because hindi mo alam, baka mamaya phishing email pala yan. And number 3, meron palang mga nag-e-exist na mga anti-scam apps katulad ng Whoscall, talagang napacheck ako dito. Alam mo, itong Whoscall is a trusted app or trusted platform that even the DOTR secretary na si Secretary Ivan actually is supporting the app. Like a caller ID that can actually detect if the number that is calling you is a suspicious number or suspicious calls. They have an AI-based alert system that filters out